Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the most honest and helpful reviews of trending products. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best baby bath kneeler elbow rest on the market right now. The beiens bath kneeler and elbow rest pad set. Whether you're a new parent or a seasoned pro, bath time can be tough on your knees and elbows. But with this set, comfort and convenience meet thoughtful design in the best possible way. Let's dive in. At first glance, this product looks sleek and well made, and it absolutely is. The color we're reviewing today is a soft, modern gray-green that fits beautifully in most bathroom styles. But this isn't just about looks. The set includes two pieces, a kneeling pad and an elbow rest. Both are crafted with high-density 1.5-inch memory foam and wrapped in water-friendly neoprene fabric. That combination means it's not only soft and comfortable but also quick-drying and durable. The ergonomic design stretches 22 inches in length and is designed to protect your knees, elbows, back, and arms while you bathe your baby. It provides long-lasting comfort, even during those splashy 20-minute bath sessions. Now let's talk about what really matters, safety. The elbow pad features 6 strong suction cups that secure it tightly to the side of your bathtub. You won't have to worry about it slipping while you're busy bathing a squirmy toddler. On the floor side, the kneeling pad has a non-slip rubber bottom that grips securely, even if water or soap spills over. The elbow rest pad includes 4 large storage pockets, perfect for holding baby shampoo, soap, body lotion, or bath toys. Everything you need is within arm's reach, so you can keep one hand on your baby at all times. This simple addition makes bath time smoother and faster. No more leaning across the tub or juggling bottles while keeping your child safe. When bath time's over, cleaning and storing the set is just as easy. Both pads are machine washable or can be quickly hand washed. The materials dry fast, so you can hang them to air dry right after use. And if you're traveling, no problem. The set folds neatly into a compact size and fits easily into a carrying bag, making it perfect for trips to grandparents' houses or vacations. Now let's talk about gifting. If you're looking for something useful and thoughtful for a baby shower, Mother's Day, or even a first birthday party, this set is a perfect choice. It's gender-neutral, practical, and adds real value to any parent's daily routine. In a sea of baby bath accessories, the beiens bath kneeler and elbow rest pad stands out for its quality, comfort, and convenience. It turns a daily chore into a much more enjoyable bonding experience, and saves your knees and elbows in the process. So, that wraps up our review of the beiens bath kneeler and elbow rest pad set. If you're ready to make bath time easier and more comfortable, this might be just what you've been looking for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more hands-on product reviews, right here on Product Critique. See you in the next one.